Hello ladies and gents, in today's video we're going to be doing a custom preset for first person shooters or FPSs. So this will work with Warzone, RB6 Siege, Call of Duty, etc. Obviously the first thing you want to do is install the ICUE software, which you can find online. I'll have a link down in the description. Install this guy and then launch the program. After that you want to create a profile, so in this case we're going to hit the plus symbol up here and we're just going to name them. YouTube video. YouTube vid. You don't have to do this, but just so I can see what I'm pressing, I'm going to go to lighting effects, add a lighting effect, and I'm going to do a solid. There we go. And now we want to go back to here. So once you made a thing, a profile, what you want to do is click the headset that you're going to be using for the custom preset. Now this is only going to work with the Corsair products, such as the Void Pros, Void Pro Wireless, any headset that they own. This program will not work with any Razer headsets or any other alternative gaming headsets. So in this case I have the Void Pro Wireless headset. I'm going to click that, go to EQ presets, and we are going to add a custom preset by hitting the plus symbol in the top right corner here. I'm going to turn all these off.
3, 2, 1.
And I'm going to rename this guy to FPS. Now you don't have to do that, I'm just naming it that just for the sake of this video. I'm also going to change the lighting effect to blink to no effect. Actually, static. There we go. So after that, once you have made the custom preset, unturn the others off. So the link EQ slider is essentially just linking the sliders together. We're going to be editing them individually, and so we're going to turn that off, and now you can edit them individually, obviously. So in this case, so from 1K to 16K, these are your highs and high mids, meaning anything hitting the high range sounds, essentially, like I don't know, people talking, like the characters talking in game, explosions, sometimes bullets ricocheting off of metal, etc. And then from the 500 to 32 is your mids and lows, and lows are going to be like footsteps, anything that's low bassy kind of tone. So what we're going to do, just to start off, we're going to adjust all these down, the mids and lows, to 0. And we're going to adjust these highs a little bit to high. And that's just to start off. And actually we're going to keep 500 at the 0 dB point. So we're going to move our, well actually we'll leave that there for the sake of this video, and we're going to launch our games. The game I'm going to be doing test runs on is going to be the RB6 Siege, Tom Clancy. And like I said, this is going to be kind of like a trial and error type deal, because we all hear different. So this video might help you get to a point where you're satisfied with it. It might not. It's just going to be a hit or a miss.
Test sequence 1.
I'm just going to spawn random. I'm going to play Ash. There we go. Another thing that might help while you're doing this test is to actually turn off the music during the game, so that way you're just hearing environmental and
you must locate and
noises
defuse
from
the
the
bomb.
enemies and whatnot. So right now, like, I can hear it clear as day. All my ear is just me running like a stampede of rhinos. And I just heard someone just put up a barricade in that direction. You're talking in the same direction. really sure if it's left or right. I hear footsteps. That might have been where the footsteps came from. That room's clear. Talking to my left that I'm looking down at right now. Footsteps coming. Called it. Come on, Pete. Second movement in this room to my already.
I think they've broken off.
Okay, I wasn't sure if it was right or behind the wall. Explosions are definitely a lot more recognizable. There we go. Yeah, there's definitely someone in this room as well. Something there. Oh, there's two. Just pull this guy up, and I think I'm going to adjust the mids a little bit. Pull some of this down. Kind of even it out. Raise that up. I'm pulling the mids to middle now. Now that I'm happy with the high and high mids. And yeah, we're gonna try that now and see how well it works. Above me. Actually on stage.
A bomb has been located. Move to its location and plant the diffuser.
You're in like this general area. I feel like you're not checking it out though. A lot of movement upstairs. I want to go check out upstairs. Like, so I'm not really worried about winning this game. It's more just like sound testing. Be a third one. And that's my third culprit for movement.
Located a bomb. Move to its location and plant the diffuser.
Woo. Okay, I didn't even see him back there. That's the reload. Ooh! Okay, that could have been bad. I heard movement. I thought it was underneath. Whoopsies. Alright, we're gonna do main entrance. I'm gonna do shotgun sledge, just to switch it up. And this will be the final test.
A bomb must be located and defused.
Dope.
We've located a bomb. Move to its location and plant the diffuser.
Hey, he's literally all upstairs? Yeah, I definitely hear more footsteps up there as Laird. One on me. Coming up. Whoopsies. He's in the room now where I was. Hold on, steps. I should not have picked the shotgun for this. Okay, we're good. Sorry, no, our losers. See if I can get a sledge kill.
Shit.
Oh, that was bad. Okay.
plant the diffuser.
Whew, that could have been real bad. Here, movement there. I lied. Must have been underneath. Or it might be in this room. Yep. Definitely that room. Can I call you back? Okay, bye. Man. Your movement on ping. Woo! Now I didn't hear him until he started moving. Oh, I died.
We have been eliminated.
Yeah, I think I like where it's at, so I am gonna call it there for this video. It's already been 30 minutes. But yeah, I mean, you guys can go and tweak it. I kind of just gave you like a base reading to go off of. The way you want to read your footsteps and stuff are going to be in your mids to low mids and in your lows. And if you want to hear bullets or like movement of the clip being reloaded, you want your high mids and highs adjusted to like the tippy top. 16K is going to be where, and the 8K is going to be where like explosions are going to be more distinct once you adjusted it. Another thing is that if your headset offers surround sound, this will be even better, because then you'll be able to tell if it's actually on your left or on your right. Whereas if it's in stereo, you kind of gotta judge and see kind of how I was struggling without it being on. Surround on compared to with it being on. And with that being on, the highs might be more distinct with the left and right. But I'll see if I can have a saved preset file for you guys to download if you want to try this one out. I know you guys have been requesting a lot of this for a while, and I just haven't gotten the time or just around to it. And I also was having bottleneck issues with my PC to even run a test like this. So hope you guys liked the video, hope it helped, and if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video.